Even if I had to less bottles of wine, I would still buy this multi-function soldering iron soldering gun. Who is still using the old-style soldering machine now? Everyone is using this. Easy to solder gold, silver, copper, iron, aluminum. Simple and convenient. The welds are beautiful. It's strong and doesn't require grinding. And we provide you with specialized wire that produces thousands of degrees of heat, so it can easily handle any tank or water tank have at home, such as old pots or bowls, and all types of stainless steel, copper, iron, aluminum, etc. can be soldered with this. The soldering is fast and very strong. Click on the link below and we will provide you with 50 strips of soldering wire for free. I keep one at home myself. Just connect it to the power supply to solder anything at home easily. So hurry up and throw away your old soldering machine at home. Powerful and easy to operate. It's sturdy enough to weld a wide range of materials with just one roll of wire. This all-in-one welding torch for manual, gas and arc welding can be used immediately, even by beginners. You can weld anything, including steel pipe, aluminum, handrails. The wire automatically extends when you press the switch and has a temperature control function, which can be freely adjusted between 20 degrees and 450 degrees when you use it. No longer need to hold the wire in your hand. It is fast and works much more efficiently.